Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is Halloween, and so you guys see I'm wearing pink. I'm from Winnie the Pooh, and I'm Piglet, Piglet. So I'm gonna be rating my fidgets 1 to 10, and I'm gonna be seeing how much I like them. Okay, you ready? Yeah, let's go. So first I'm gonna be testing this one. I know it's where you put your coins in, but I used it as my fidget. Okay. So I'm gonna twist it. If I can open it. Okay. Open. So the first fidget is my Slinky. And mostly it just stretches and goes down the stairs. So I would rate this 3 because there's nothing really you can do with it except bounce it all over the place. Next is these snappers. I would not recommend these in class because it could really distract other people, even on tests. So I would give these like a 4. And so be right back, y'all. So for the next one, I have mochis. They can mostly do math because if you 5 plus 5, you have to start with 5 and you count 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you count it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it equals 10. These will mostly help with math, so I'll give it like an 8. And then for the next one, I'm gonna get my monkey noodle. Okay, so these are all my monkey noodles. Wait, where's my mochi? Okay,
These two going in the armpit as well.
so these are my monkey noodles, and I would give it like a 4 since they mostly stretch. And that's all that they do. The next is this mini poppet. I love this because sometimes when I have stress, it releases my stress. And I like it because it's really calming. And you can mostly hang it on something. Oh wait, I forgot my other mochi. And next are these like ring things. I don't know what they're called. You can mostly like put them on your fingers. Like, I really like these because they're like, when you squish them, you hear it. The satisfying noise is, since it's really good satisfying stuff, I'll give it like a 9. That crying noise is my brother. It's fine. Just ignore it. Next, I have these peanut poppets. These are also just released, and I'll give it, since it's hard to push on the normal side, I'll give it like a 4. And I have another. And then the second is this one. It's like a Rubik's Cube, but I really like it, so I'll give it a 10. Okay, next, this fidget spinner dimple. What's that? And I love how it spins, and I love how it is tied up. So I really love it. So I'll give it a 9. Okay, so that was all that was in the hamster one, and it was mostly really good. So I'm just gonna stuff it back in here. Ignore these trading boards. So the first one. So this is the same. Well, I'll keep it in here. I forgot the sticky. So next is this pineapple poppet, tie-dye pineapple poppet. And it's really good. So I'll give it a 5. Next is this. It's way better at popping. So I'll give it a 6. I love this. Actually, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And then next is this. This is the Planet Dimple. And I really love it. This is my favorite one, so I'll give it a 20 out of 10. It's really good. Next, these, I'll give that an 8. There's nothing really to do with it. I love how this one is shaped, so I really love it. And I'll give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, 10, 2, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Everything is amazing. Look at that. 50. And then I don't want to be hurt. Okay, that was all for this Halloween. I'm not going trick-or-treating yet because I did this early. I didn't want to do it tomorrow because I have school tomorrow. And if y'all want to know what grade I am in, I'm in 2nd grade and I'm 7 years old. I'm about to have a sister. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna name her Teddy. And I have a brother, which name is Crew. I have a mom, a dad, and bye guys. See you later. Not later, or tomorrow. I don't know if I want to post tomorrow because, when I was not posting videos for a long time, that's because I was sick. I don't know how I got sick. Yeah, so that's why I haven't been posting a lot. But this is since I've been sick. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or next week. On Sunday, maybe. I don't know. No, I have cheer on Sunday, so I'll do it on Saturday. Bye. Love y'all. Happy Halloween.